Hello Bladers! Customizing your car is probably one of the most satisfying feelings ever. The fact that you were able to create a car that was of your own design is such a nice feeling that people sometimes get addicted to it. Some people even go to the extent of regularly changing the color of their car when they get too bored with it. For those who are new to car modification though, they usually have tons of questions. And one of these is probably about the car emblem. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Car emblems can ruin the look of your car if it doesn't match the look you designed. As such, some people usually remove it. If you also want to, then here is a guide. Use a heat gun. Heat the emblem and the area close to it until it's warm. Make sure to have proper materials in using a heat gun to refrain from having unexpected lumps from your paint or any parts. Use a string. Yes, you heard that right. Use any string. You can even use dental floss if you want. Insert it in between the emblem and your car. Then, do a sawing or a flossing motion to remove the emblem. Soak with solvent. Grab a cloth and a solvent, and then wipe away any residue that's left. Make sure to use a microfiber cloth in doing so. Clean your car. Wash your car and clean with a car shampoo and microfiber towel to make sure that it will go back to its polished look. And to remove the unnecessary residue left, spray with a label and sticker remover solution. Easiest way to remove labels, adhesives, rubber cement, duct tape, glue and more. Safe for non-porous surfaces including glass, metal and automotive paint, and also safe for use on all non-porous surface. Do you agree with our tips? Or did we miss some of your emblem removal procedures? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.